Hi guys, Mark here from Hammer 4x4. What I have here today is the Prado 250. Now this is our work car, and I just want to show you what we've done to this car, what's standard and what is customized on top of what we normally offer. So on the front end of this car, we do have an Atlas Series Plus bull bar fitted here. It does have those loops. If you're after a slimline, no hoop bull bar, we have the Atlas Series available, which has no hoops. Now this bar comes standard with the daytime running, sequential indicator and fog light. It does also have these provisions here for headlight washers, so it pops up and washes those headlights. So it works like normal. Also, on the front end, we do have a provision for a 12,000 pound winch. This one has a carbon 12K fitted. On top of that, comes standard with the 3.5 ton rate recovery points that are normally in red. These ones we have custom painted to that blue to match the car as well. You have the option for underbody protection. So the first one is the bash plate. If you want the 3 pieces, bash plate, 2 other pieces, or we do have an option for 6 pieces. So it does cover the whole underbody of the car. And if you do want the 6 pieces, it's more if you're going off-roading and you're seriously going to hit something underneath and you need that extra protection. So this car has had a 2-inch lift. We have used a Hammer H4X suspension on this one to get that lift because I want to put these bad boys on. These are 17s on 35s. These are the black Rhino wheels. They don't come standard as white. We actually had to get them color coded to match the vehicle. Let's just have a look at how this car is looking now compared to stock. It has had that lift, bull bar has been changed, has that more aggressive stance with the wheels and tires, has that presence now that you definitely need for one of these vehicles just to have that complete upgrade. Now on top of that, we do have that roof rack over here. It is our flat rack, comes seamless, does come with the wind deflector normally, does have all these grooves on top and the sides so you can mount additional lighting, different storage options, completely changes that whole top of that vehicle. On top of that, we do have these panels. These panels are an extra option if you do want, you don't have to have these. I do like them, does tie into the vehicle, completes that whole overall look. We are developing a couple more accessories for this car. We are going to do the shadow side steps, so this will totally change this whole side of the look of the car. And we are doing a rear bar. Now for this rear bar, we are going to have a tire carrier option. And on top of that, it will change the whole rear look. We do know a lot of you don't like that nappy look at the back for this rear of the car. That's all we have for today. This is the Prado 250 and this is what Hammer has to offer for this vehicle right now. Stay tuned while we release more and more options.